What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So I have just gotten my Ipsy Glam bag for January, so I will be doing my unbagging. Cannot wait to see what Ipsy has in store for me. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Simply Carrie, and I do unbaggings and unboxings of beauty products every month. So if you do want to see those kinds of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I unbag and unbox throughout the month. Okay, so as I said before, this is my Ipsy Glam bag for January. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it. So I am going to open it up with you right now. Okay, so let's see what we have. Now, I know you guys are probably saying, for those of you who do watch my channel, you're probably saying, well, where is Diva Doll? Diva Doll couldn't be with me today, but she does send her love. So let's see what we have. All right, this, a plastic bag, a plastic, this is what this is, a plastic bag. It has Dream written on it, and it is just not, okay, it's not really doing anything for me. It's screaming cheap. I know I only paid like $12 for the subscription box, and I should be pretty grateful for whatever I get. So let me not complain too much, but I don't really care for the bag. I honestly don't. Okay, well, let's see what they have in the bag. Before I start to show the products, let's see what they have. Okay, what our theme is for this month. I do have to put those glasses on so I can check this out. So January 2021, it is Dream It.
Okay, new month, new year, phew, and the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest goals will be within reach. Get into this month's theme at Ipsy.com, Dream It. Okay, so hashtag Dream It.
You've got 5 products that are valued at $50+. So let's see what we have here. This is Complex Culture. Complex Culture is an Ipsy exclusive. Give your lips the VIP treatment with this Good For You gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I only have a little bit of lipstick on. Oh, I hate to get the applicator messed up with this lipstick. So I'm just gonna dab it a little. Has almost, is that like a no, not peppermint. Eucalyptus? I don't know. Oh, it actually does feel nice. And I like how it shines, especially when you put lipstick, you already have lipstick on, you just put a dab on after that. I do like this. This is really nice. And you can wear this without lipstick or with. I do like this. This is a good one. Okay, so it says to layer this gloss over your go-to matte or cream lip color for a hint of shine and hydration. And it definitely does give a hydrating kind of feel. I do like the look of it. So the MSRP of the full-size version of this product, 4.5 milliliters, is $18. What's our next item here? This is it right here, Kensie So Pretty. So, Kensie So Pretty fragrance. This is a fragrance. This is a 10 milliliter, 0.34 fluid ounces. Okay, let's see, let's try this out. Light fragrance. It's nice. I don't know about this. I mean, it's all right. It's okay. I don't know that I'd be wearing it. Okay, it says the MSRP of this full-size version of this product, 100 milliliters, is $55. 100 milliliters. This is 10 milliliters. So 100 milliliters, it would be $55. Wow. Okay. All right. So the perfume isn't bad, but I don't know. I just kind of feel like I have smelt this fragrance before. I don't know where I have smelt it. It's okay. I'm not screaming wow wow. What on earth is this? BYROE or BYROE, and I'm not sure if that's an E. BYROE. Okay, so this is called BYROE. BYROE Salmon Cream. Okay, packed with omega-3s and fatty acids. Salmon is a healthy superfood that nourishes your body and your skin. You'll find it in this nutrient-dense cream made with salmon extract. Now, come on. Salmon. I don't mind eating salmon, but why would I want to put salmon on my body? Why? Why would I want the extract of a fish on my body? Why? I don't understand. Why would I want that? Okay, it says that it's prized with its ability to improve skin health and fight fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so this is supposed to fight fine lines and wrinkles. Tip, dot it onto your face and massage until absorbed. Add more to dry spots. Okay, well, you know what? I shouldn't have put I shouldn't have put perfume on, because now I'm not even going to be able to smell this. I've got to hold my arm way back here. Please don't tell me this really smells like fish. Oh, there's some that's already out. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit on the top of my... So I'm supposed to put this on my face. I don't really smell it that much. I don't really smell anything, but the fact that look at this. Why? You put the fish in your body, you eat the fish, brush your teeth afterward. Who wants a package with salmon sitting on it? I don't want this. It's not to say that I won't try it. I will try it. So this is a cream. No, come on. Salmon cream. Salmon cream. Why would I try salmon cream? Why would I want anything that says salmon on any part of my body? This is ridiculous. Okay, anyhow, it's net weight 0.64 fluid ounces, 20 milliliters in this. This is salmon cream, luxurious rich cream. Okay, let's keep it pushing. I've got a brush, another brush. Okay, so Diva Doll would love this brush with all the glitter inside. This looks like the other brush that I got, and it was in green, and she liked it, and she made everything muddy. Okay, so brush for her. What kind of brush is this? All right, so this is this SLMISSGLAM P30 angled blusher brush in Lilac. I'm all for getting another brush. All right. I don't know. I usually like the fluffier ones. This one's pretty thin, but that's okay. My bag is empty right about now, but I do have one more product. Bye Bye Under Eye. Okay, so I'm willing to try this, definitely. It's called Bye Bye Under Eye. It's full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. I thought this was going to be something to help literally try to get rid of the bags under the eyes. Okay, so I guess not. So we're going to hide bags under the eyes, and I'm all for that. So creamy, dewy, skin brightening, anti-aging. The full coverage waterproof formula means it's on for the long haul. Plus it's made with hyaluronic acid. So the MSRP of the full-size version of this product, 12 milliliters, is $27. Okay, so there are 48 shades. This is what it looks like. So let's put a little on the top of my... Oh, wait, I put too much. It's gonna be hard to... Why did I do that? It's gonna be hard to blend this in. We got 5 products, okay? What do I think about January? You know, it's just like the January that I'm actually having. I was hopeful. I wasn't too hopeful. I was cautious with my hope. And I was cautious with my hope for this bag as well. And, well, I'm not impressed. I'm really not. I like this. This is a winner. All right, so even though I'm not super crazy about this bag, I do like the concealer and I do like the lip gloss. I really didn't necessarily need another brush, but it's always nice to have another brush, so that's a plus. And I just don't understand this. I don't understand the packaging here. Now the product itself may be very good. I will try it. I will be open to it. It's just, come on guys, salmon. I don't want to see salmon on a package. Did I put this back in here? No, I didn't. Okay, and fragrance. Not that in love with fragrance, but hey, you know. So overall, my impression of this month's Ipsy bag was just like this January, getting off a little slow. So hopefully next month's bag, and next month is Valentine's Day, so hopefully we will have some really nice things for that month. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell if you are interested in watching these unbaggings and unboxings, because I will be back next month with another one. Until then, enjoy your day, enjoy your life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.